are Mid-Michigan college students. There's Kinleigh and Caroline, because friends who study together succeed together. Adam took advantage of the Michigan Reconnect scholarship and completed his long sought-after IT degree. There's JT. He's studying to be a nurse to serve his community. Ruberto is starting his journey as a Laker and plans to rule the lanes on Mid's bowling team. Then there's Nichole, who is finishing her HVAC degree while working full-time. Brandy is an author and teacher who returned to Mid after having her first child to continue her education. Jamie is the youngest of 5 and forging her own path to a career. And Jiaryatou excels on the court and in the classroom as a member of the women's basketball team. That's who our students are, real people with real dreams. And at Mid, we help them experience real success.